In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Replit app into Apple App Store. So first step is to open your app in Replit. Then click on Publish button in top right corner. And from here, you need to copy this URL and go to Google and search for Convert Web App to Native App. And you can find many sites which can do this. So let's say I'm going to choose this median.co. So open it. And here paste your URL. So paste your URL here. Click on build your app. So this is your URL. You can name it. So let's say Replit test. Click start building my app. This will start building your app. Then once your file is uploaded, you can click to start on this display and it will show you preview of your site. Then you can click on download. And from here, you need to click on this iOS. So to be able to build, you need to click on configure signing. So click on this and you need to connect your Apple App Store. So click on manage connections. And from here, you need to fill these details. And once you have that, you are going to be able to click on build. So I'm going to show you on this source code. Once it's done, you can click on download. It will download your source code. And then once you have your iOS file, you need to search for Apple App Store developer. And you need to go to developer.apple.com. And from here, you need to sign in to your developer account or create new account if you don't have one. And then you are going to be able to upload it. And once the app reviews, you are going to be able to upload it to Apple App Store. So that's it.